Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. I'm Hussein Lagari, and as you know, we are going to start our classes by today. Or
So much, Sir Hussain Lagari. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I hope I'm audible to you all. So today we are going to talk about that what we are going to learn throughout this course. So we can say that today is our introductory class. We'll have an introduction that what we are going to do in our in this course. Uh, I thought that you can see the screen is shared with you. So let's talk about the distribution of course. This whole course is divided into three parts. The first part is grammar, the second part is textbook, and the third part is practicing English. So we have all together 20 classes for grammar and then 25 classes for first year and second year course subject, the textbook one. And we have third part that is practicing English. We have all together 10 classes for this. So we have almost 20, 25, and we have 10 classes altogether. So let's talk about what we are going to learn in grammar. We have tenses, we have tenses, we have parts of speech, we have sentence structure, we have active voice and passive voice, direct and indirect, punctuation, and article. Before that, I want to explain you that why do we need this grammar portion. Basically, grammar is very important. Grammar is very basic, and it is the need of everywhere. Either you are going to get admission in university, either you are going to appear in your exams, either you are studying in first year or inter, either you are speaking. If you know the grammar, that would be very easy, very convenient, very feasible for you people to speak correct English. So, I mean, this is something very basic. For example, whatever the languages we have, like English, Urdu, Sindhi, whatever the language we have, we are able to speak those languages confidently because we know their grammar, we know their basic structure, we know that how we are making the sentences. That is why we have we have added all these things in your grammar portion, that you know that how to what are the tenses that is included, that's in present tense, past tense, future tense. So you will be able to make your sentences. And then we have a parts of speech, verb, adverb, adjectives. Then we have sentence of structure, simple, and then complex, and then compound, then active and passive voice, then direct and indirect, and then punctuation. That where we have to stop, where we are asking a question, where we are emphasizing something. And then articles, where we have to put a, where we have to put n, where we have to put the. So these are the grammar portion that is very important for you all. And then for all of us, it is very important that we should know the basic grammar. I hope that you can understand that what we are going to do in our upcoming classes, when it is going to based on grammar. Then later on, the second part that is divided into textbook. When you say textbook, it's mean that like whatever the text you have, for example, in first year you have the textbook, the second year you have the textbook. So we will do the text of your books. That will be, there will be a chapter, there will be a poems, and then there will be a different things. We are going to solve the exercises as well. That is all together like compiled over 25 classes. And then we have two tests after we are going to finish our uh, textbook. And then later on we have the third the third is practicing English. This is the very important thing. Whatever we have done so far, so we will compile it. We are going to do. We are going to practice in this third part. That is practicing English, where we have a group work. When we say group work, that means that we are going to learn from each other. We are going to listen. Everyone will listen their thoughts. Will listen their ideas, and then definitely we'll learn from each other. We'll learn from our group partners. And then there will be presentation. Let me tell you one thing: presentation is one of the most important thing, because your, no matter which class you are, no matter which standard you are, no matter where you are standing, if we are able to speak in front of the monitor, if we are able to speak in front of our partners, if we can able to share our view, that is how we can be successful. That is how we can, for example, if we cannot express ourselves, if I cannot express what I wanted to say, so how would people will get to know that what are my ideas, what are my thoughts? So the presentation is the most important thing. And trust me, like these grammar activities, these textbook activities, these group work uh, will help you towards our presentation, and we'll learn, inshallah. And we learn how to come to the monitor, how to express ourselves, how to talk about something, how to explain about something, how to question about something, how to answer about something. So presentation is one of the most important part that comes in the third part of practicing English. And this part is also this the classes will have, we have altogether 10 classes for this. And then in the end we'll have one test for this part. So altogether we have 60 classes, if I'm not mistaken. And then we have 55 classes, and then 5 tests. I hope that you will understand that what we are going to do, what we are going to learn from our English classes. And then I'll welcome your all questions, I'll welcome your all queries, and inshallah we'll learn together. I hope that there will not be anything that will be confusing. And inshallah, if there will be, we will definitely sort it out in our in our upcoming classes. We'll have our regular classes. We'll start with the grammar, and then I wish you all best of luck for your upcoming classes. And then I hope that we are going to learn together, we are going to grow together, and then we will become better, we will become uh, a, a better learner, inshallah ta'ala. Thank
Inshallah,
you so much,
inshallah.
everyone.
Lina,
Thank you so much.
I would like to add something. Are you there?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay. The purpose of this whole course is to enable you for your education, for your higher education, and for your taste of any kind of employment test you are going to uh, appear in. So, if you have any expectation from us regarding this course or any suggestion regarding this course, then you can send your message or you can ask the question here. I'm here to answer you. Sina is here to answer you, and we can add those suggestions in our course and in our classes. And even during classes, you have right to write to us, and you have right to suggest us that how we can make our work more better, because that's the way we can grow together and to learn together. So if there is anything you want to add here during this class, during this introductory class, then you can add. And if there is any suggestion you want to share, then you are free to share it. We are waiting here. If there is anything you want to tell us or share, uh, then that will be good. And I'm seeing here there are a few friends who were with us in last project, like Sadruddin, Muridani, and few other friends. So if there is any suggestion from you guys, then you can share here, and we will try to incorporate those suggestions in our classes and the course we are going to deliver. And Miss Lina, I have a question for you.
Yes, sir, please.
So, how you will engage your participants, your learners here? Because learners are here, they are listening us. So, would you like to share your ideas? that how you are gonna engage them in various practices, group works, and will you give them task, any specific task to engage them?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll appreciate your question, and the best word that you have already used, that is practice. Because whenever we talk about the language, language is all about practice. Either whatever the language is. Because, for example, if we are learning grammar, that means that we have to practice it. For example, if we are learning verb in the class, and then we have talk about some exercises, and then I'll assign them some tasks, and then they'll do it in the next class, and then we'll see that what is it, what exactly they have done, and what is the area that we need improvement. And as you people have designed the course, the best part is that by the end there is a test, so we can easily recognize and rectify that what exactly is the idea of the student was earlier, and then how much they have improved. And then there is always a space for learning. For example, if they wanted to know something, if they wanted to question something, in the end, if they have some queries, if they have some questions, so they can ask, and we are ready to repeat.
Exactly. We are here for you guys. Mohammed Aslam is here. I'm happy to see his message. Aslam, if you want to add something or suggest something, then you should. And if anyone from the guys who are listening us wants to add or wants to share his experience of last project or suggestion for this one, you can share, because we are here for you and we will try our level best to uh, incorporate your suggestions and the way you receive this course. We will try to make ourselves more better and more appropriate for our learners, because this course gonna help all the students, all the learners who wants to appear in entry test of any university or in any test of employment opportunity. This course will help them. So if there is anything you want to share, you can share, and we will be open to all of you during our course, during our classes. If there is anything you want to share or add, or you want to suggest us that this is the way you can make your work more better, and if you want to participate in activity, then we can organize such activities on Zoom and on Facebook Live. For example, Lina, I want to share something that in last project we were organizing various type of activities like weekly program Kids in Dostar. Kids in Dostar was a program in which participants were participating on Facebook, on Zoom, and they were learning together with us. So maybe by this project and in current project, we will do such activities to engage our participants, as they must enjoy the learning process and they must participate, engage themselves in this whole learning process. So thank you all for your participation in our introductory class. Ms. Dina, if you have anything to say, then you can say. We will close our lecture or class now. And inshallah, we will be here tomorrow for our first class formally.
Inshallah, sir, I would like to thanks to everyone who have joined the meeting, and then inshallah we'll see them tomorrow.
Thank you.